Right now, I'm standing on the bank of a pond. This pond is called Laldigi, and behind me there is a fire. Someone maybe set fire to burn the polythene and plastic materials here, and it's obstructing the growth of vegetation here. So it is very dangerous for plants and other lively thing. As you can see, there is smoke rising from the fire, and I'm sweating because it's afternoon, but the weather is gloomy. That's why the temperature feels like hotter than it is. And here I am under a mango tree. This place is fully covered with the leaves, very dense. It seems like if it rains, not a single drop of rain will fall through the leaves of this tree. And as I was talking about, the weather is gloomy and there is cloud in the sky, but it still feels like hotter than the temperature really is. So as we are talking about the temperature, why do we sweat? We sweat because when it is sunny day, the temperature in the environment and in the atmosphere and in our body remains different. So to maintain the temperature in our body and outside, our body releases water, and thus it maintains and balances the temperature. One thing another, that is we the temperature during the cloud and the cloudy day is because it's like it may be compared with a pot of water. When we heat water of a pot, we give it heat and we pour water inside. If we don't put a cover over the pot, it takes longer to boil the water. When we give a cover on the pot, it takes less time because it gets heated faster. Thus, when there is a cloud in the sky, our the earth absorbs rays and heat of the sun, and it releases the heat from the earth and from the ground. And when there is a cloud in the sky, the released heat cannot go outside the atmosphere, so it works like a teapot or like a pot of water that's boiling on the gases tube or somewhere with a cover. Maybe give your opinion if I'm right or wrong. Signing off.